Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience using LendInvest. Here's my review of LendInvest and my experience using their services. LendInvest isn't your typical personal loan provider. They specialize in property finance, offering products like buy-to-let mortgages, bridging loans, and development finance. So, if you're looking for a standard unsecured personal loan, LendInvest probably isn't the right fit. However, if you're a landlord, property developer, or investor seeking financing, LendInvest is highly competitive. They provide quick and flexible lending solutions with a streamlined online application process, leading to fast approval times. Their buy-to-let mortgages are tailored for both individuals and limited companies, with loan amounts determined by rental yield and borrower affordability. Bridging loans are designed for short-term property purchases or renovations, which makes them perfect for investors looking to flip properties or quickly secure funds. Development finance is specifically structured for property developers, offering funds to cover land acquisition and construction costs. One of LendInvest's major advantages is its technology-driven approach. This simplifies the borrowing process significantly compared to traditional banks. Their rates are competitive, and loan terms are flexible, depending on the type of finance you require. Eligibility criteria include creditworthiness, property value, and income stability. Unlike standard personal loan providers, LendInvest loans are secured against property. This means there's a risk of losing the asset if you can't keep up with repayments. It's important to keep this in mind. While LendInvest started as a peer-to-peer lending platform, they've transitioned to operating with institutional funding. This provides greater capital security for borrowers. In summary, if you're in the property sector and need financing for a buy-to-let investment, a refurbishment, or a development project, LendInvest is a strong contender. However, if you're looking for an unsecured loan for personal expenses, you'll need to explore other options. If LendInvest sounds like it meets your needs, be sure to check out the links in the description for more information.